She's trying fondue at home for the first time. We've had some learnings. Cheese fondue for 2. First thing we're gonna do is take a beautiful Sauvignon Blanc. If I'm opening a bottle of wine, I'm gonna use a knife one because chef's gotta have a drink too. Into a saucepan, you're gonna add 200 mils. You're gonna melt in 180 grams of Gruyere cheese and 200 grams of Emmental. Whilst that's oozing away, you're gonna mix together 1 teaspoon of corn flour with a teaspoon of sherry. This is gonna act a little bit as a stabilizer. I don't know the science, I don't know how it works. Make sure to season with lots of freshly ground black pepper. If you want a successful fondue, keep it hot. We realised as soon as we switched that temperature off, it did some interesting things indeed. Continual stirring and lots of heat and your fondue dreams will be realised. Serve it up with lovely warm bread or crudité, whatever you fancy. And I'll be serving with that naughty indulgent cheese, a very lovely Sicilian red wine. It's going to cut right through the richness of it all, whilst giving you a little hint of cherry flavour, which pairs beautifully. Thank you, Frappato.